Okay, this afternoon I am going to fix some corn on the cob, and it's real easy to fix. We're going to fix it in the oven. And so what you do first is you have to shuck your corn, and I like to cut mine off on both ends, just like this. Then take it and just peel it down. You do need a sharp knife to cut the ends off, and I just always get my little paring knife and just make sure that that last little end piece is off. And then we're going to get the silks off of it, and I'm going to wash it. I'm going to roll it up in aluminum foil and put a little bit of butter inside the aluminum foil, and we're going to put it in the oven right on the rack. I'm not going to put it in a pan or anything. I'm just going to lay it on the oven rack and cook it for 30 minutes. I don't know if any of y'all are familiar with Zellwood corn. I live in the state of Florida, and that is just a type of corn that we have here. We have other types, but we have just always liked the Zellwood corn ever since we have been here. So the other day in the grocery store, they have a big bin that has the Zellwood corn in it. So I got 4 ears. My son is here from North Carolina, and I just thought we would have corn on the cob to go with our dinner tonight. And like I say, you just silk it, and we'll wash it off real good. Put some butter on it. Put it in the oven. This is really pretty corn. It's a sweet corn. And like I say, I'm only going to cook 4 ears. And if you're going to shuck it in the house, take your bag and put it in the sink like I've just did. And when you pull this stuff out, just put it in the bag. And that way when you get through, all your mess is cleaned up. I have got my oven set on 350. And I've just heard it go off and beep at me to tell me that it's hot enough. There we go. Now all I'm going to do is wash it real good. Make sure all the silks are out of it. And we'll come right back. I've laid them inside the stove, just on the rack. As you can see, I've got them laying inside the stove on the rack. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you will subscribe to our channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, please let me know. We'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, my corn has now been cooking for 30 minutes, so let's see what we've got. Oh, we got a smoky mess. Alright, let's just see. Let's just take one of them And let's see what we've got here. Boy, that smells good. All that butter on there. I'm just going to take a fork and we're just going to see if this is done. Oh yes, this seems like, I do believe it is. Well, it is so hot that there is no way that we can eat it at this time. So we'll just let it sit here and let this one cool off. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is nothing in the world but corn that I got from the grocery store with that I had to shuck when I got home. There's one of those silks again. I'm just going to turn it over and let it cool right here. But I'm going to keep those wrapped up just for a few minutes until I try this to make sure that it's done and I don't need to put it back. But I know I don't, because it does seem like it is done. So again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you'll come back and see me again. Don't forget to join my channel, subscribe, and make sure you send me a comment. So this really looks good. Well, I like to pour the butter right on out, didn't I? Alright, we'll let it cool off just a minute. Put us some salt and pepper on that. And I am sure this will really be good. Around the House with Kay and Tom. We will talk with you later and have a fantastic day. Bye.